Welcome back to my channel. In this month's video, I'm doing a DIY fall themed lantern. First things first, I'm just covering this little mason jar cup with a bunch of Mod Podge, the entire thing. I didn't include the handle just for the specific purpose of being able to hold it while I was painting instead of having to wait for it to dry. Then I just went ahead and started placing individual leaves on. These are from Dollar Tree. The Mod Podge is from Dollarama, and the cup I believe is from Superstore. Once I've placed a couple of the leaves on, I just go over again with Mod Podge to help them set in. Notice how handy my little handle is. I am not getting Mod Podge all over my hands or my desk. After the Mod Podge, I went in with loose glitter from Dollarama. I used red, burnt orange, and gold, and then I let it dry for about an hour or two. Next, I got these little twinkle lights from Dollar Tree. They have little pumpkins on them. One of them was broken, so I just quickly fixed it. I put in my own batteries, turned it on, and placed it in the lantern. And this is the final product. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like this video, comment down below any requests, and subscribe. We will see you in the next video. Bye!